I'm Adam with Tribe-16, and we're going to show you how to install some flank panels. Our flank panels are designed to work with both the hard tops and the soft tops. We do provide hardware if you have the soft top, because it usually doesn't come with hardware. First thing you want to do, obviously, is remove your hard top. Get help with friends, they're heavy and bulky. And we'll be removing these two small torque screws. The kit does come with hardware if you do have a soft top, but saying we have a hard top on this one, we get to reuse nice hardware on it. Kit does come with these little angle brackets. You'll remove the two Torx, I believe they're a T25. Simply just remove the screws, slip the bracket in there, and reinsert the hardware. Leave them a little loose for adjustability once we put the panel in. Next, take the panel, set it right up. You can align the holes with the existing hardware, and these will line up with the slots in here. We just insert hardware, tighten it up. If you're not going to run your hard top, simply just take the factory hardware, put them in the spots, run them down, just snug them. If you are going to run your hard top and put the hard top back on, basically this panel sandwiches between the hard top and it, and then insert the bolts and snug them down. Don't over tighten them. For the top, we use a 1/4-20 and washer. Insert through the slot, leave everything loose till everything is ready to get tightened. While everything's loose, check to make sure it's adjusted and sitting in here nice and square, and then we'll tighten her all up. If you are running the hard top, it sandwiches between the hard top and the body, and just simply put the hardware in and snug it up. As you can see, we already have a bag installed on our panel. They come in many sizes. You can get creative as you want and store anything you want in there. Sky's the limit. We offer all kinds of different bags for all kinds of different scenarios. First aid kits that rip away super fast, super easy. Just regular storage for toiletries or anything else you need you might find that you might need on the trail. Tools, recovery gear. These can even fit a roto pack for fuel or water. Sky's the limit there. You can hang a shovel on it.